Hi guys, welcome back again. Yes, it's your baby girl again, Lilian Usunobu, and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for your support. I really do appreciate. So I'm so happy this morning. Guess what, guys? So I've been complaining to my interracial boyfriend that anytime I'm washing my clothes that I'm always having this back pain. I'll be telling him like every day. I always tell him every day. So he decided to send me money to go get washing machine. So I'm going now to go get washing machine. And guys, I don't want it because now I'm going to get manual because I called the management. They said that if it is the one that we have to that need a lot of connection, that they won't accept it. So I told them that okay, that I will have to go get manual then. So I'm going to get manual. And guys, I'm so happy. I won't be washing with my hands anymore. Like, it's just too much. The money I used to pay dry cleaner, like my bed sheet, I take it to the dry cleaner. So guys, the money I always pay for that, if I should calculate it, is enough for me to get a washing machine. So I'm so happy he sent me the money. He just surprised me this morning. And again, he sent me another thing, another package, which I'm going to be unboxing in my next video. You guys better stay tuned. You don't want to miss out. So not my cabman, the cabman is already waiting downstairs. He has been disturbing me since because I was eating, so I have to quickly rush the food so that I can go and meet him downstairs. And guys, it's about to rain. I just pray it does not. It's windy outside. So let's start going, and I'm going to show you guys the other parcel he sent, but I'm not going to open the box yet. Okay guys, let's start going. I'm so happy. This is the other thing he sent to me. I've not opened it yet. So you see, it's still closed. It still has the tape on it. So I'm going to be unboxing it in my next video. I can't wait to show you guys what is inside this box. Like, I can't wait.
I still bring my own takeaway come now.
Which takeaway? Now noodles now eat. So guys, I'm going there now.
Noodles.
That's my cabman. Not my cabman, the cabman that is taking me there. Okay, let's start going.
I don't see the person.
Huh? I don't do video now. You say you not see the person.
I think the talking now.
No.
You first want to appear now.
I don't do video. I don't record.
Okay.
I don't record. Which side will they go now?
Who says on three?
Now, tell for the set cheap ones.
Yeah, they have the enough.
Me, I don't want expensive washing machine. I don't have to use hand to wash clothes.
You will get it.
Let me show you guys.
No.
and Tuesday. Okay, good. I just like this weather though. Hey, rain the fall, Pius. I bet why not? It's about to rain. This one not they do. And the traffic this morning is just something else. Washing machine in zone 3, Abby? Yes. In zone 3. So I'm heading towards zone 3 is Wusena. I'm heading towards zone 3 in Wuse. Not Wuse Market, but Wuse, and where the sales what is it called, process, because I want cheaper one, not expensive one. I want expensive stuff. My brown seats. So guys, we are here.
Where's he? No one to say that.
He said no one.
How much am I saying? No, it's not. I said it's not Kingston. When I give you price, you can price. Let me even call them. 40. Let me call them because I can talk to them. 40.
Now so this the one I buy.
Me, I know you.
12 words. They see that top loader has sense. Now it's it back. That was not be like
12 points. No, they have 7 kg, 5 kg, 8 kg, 13, 16 upwards.
12 point something I be and I don't know, but hey, how much will they buy? If the money where they call for this one, so if I add and join that one, I meet it back.
Until all the things about, you can even go them online, see the model. May not be side. I'm talking about
So the video I posted, the last one where I was showing you guys the washing machine, they said that washing machine is why is my hair like this? So they said the washing machine is 65,000 manual. The last price is 65,000. Is what is it called? Is 5 kg for 65,000. So we were pricing 55. They said no, that the last price is 65. Like things are so expensive. I was like, the one I bought in Benin, because that one is automatic. That one is 12 point something kg. I bought that one for 120 or 130 if I'm not mistaken. So how come manual 5 kg is now 65? We went to another shop, same price. So I asked him to take me to, where is it called, to the warehouse. Let's see if the price will reduce there, but if it does not, I don't have any choice than to buy it. I just pray the price there is more better than the price we got here, because Kosovo, there's no money. I don't have money. So he's going to go get his food before we start going. He said he's hungry. So guys, we keep you guys updated. Once he come, we'll start going. Hi guys, so I just got back home. Like let me gist you guys. Before I start gisting, let me quickly open this. So I have to put my tripod there. I'm coming. So this is it. So I don't know where to put this washing machine. Let's unbox. Like things are so expensive in the market. Like, gosh, so expensive. So yeah, I know it's small, guys, but I'm so happy. At least I can start washing. So the thing is now, okay, so let me not go and spoil it. Yeah, why go there? Why is it not going? Okay, it's going to go like this. Anytime I'm washing, I'll just put it here. Let me show you, so you guys. So this is the washing part, and this is the air dry. And now because of the rain, how will I do this? Oh my god. So this one is for water, but it's not long enough. So I'm going to maybe be putting water like that. And this is how it's looking inside. These are the papers. And this, I think these are the legs. Is it legs, or I don't know. I will do that later. So I think this one is just too small. but I will have to manage it because I have how will I put this one? How do they do this? Like, I'm so happy I finally got the machine. I know it might be small for some people, but I really do appreciate it. I appreciate it, but the one I have in Benin is bigger than this. So guys, I'm so happy. Like, at least I won't be having any back pain anymore when washing, because now I can't pack my clothes outside to go wash because I hate people looking at me when washing. So you all remember the first place we went before when I said that the price was too much there, that we need to go to another place, another showroom. We went there and gosh, they don't have it. So we went to another place, RG office, same thing, they don't have. So we have to come back to where we first stopped to go get the washing machine, and these people said it's 65,000. So I have no other choice than to buy it. Because if I should say I should leave it, if I should say I should leave it now, if I should come next week, the price will increase. Like, because of the dollar rate, I always say now things are so expensive in Nigeria. You see, dollar is the main problem here. Like, is the main reason why everything is so expensive, so expensive. God help us. So we finally get it, and I'm so happy. So I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification icon to keep you updated, and also don't forget to help me share this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Don't forget, and also leave a comment down below, a nice comment, guys. Love you all. Thank you.